What is up, YouTube? In this video I want to show you the Facebook targeting, effective Facebook targeting for car dealerships. So I'm going to be showing you the exact targeting that you can create ads and advertise for used car dealerships, and in future I will start uploading videos for how to get results with Facebook ads for new car dealerships, and this is going to be a really cool content. So in this video, this video is going to work for everyone who just starting with Facebook ads, and I will show you how to create the Facebook ads for car dealerships, and I'll show you some targeting that you can use to advertise and get results for car dealerships. Or if you're a sales assistant or you're sales manager in car dealership, this video will work for you too. So stay tuned for that. Right now we're gonna hop on the computer right there, and I'll be showing you exactly how to create a Facebook ad for car dealerships and how to pick the right targeting for your dealership. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, so first let me explain why you don't want to boost a post. It's just for somebody who brand new and never created a Facebook ad for car dealerships. So I want to explain why you never want to use this button, boost a post. And so bear with me, it's going to be like a really 10 seconds explanation why you don't want to boost a post, and then we'll go through the ads manager and create the ad together. So with that being said, so first thing, you never want to use this boost post button because it doesn't give you the full availability, the full options of targeting. So see, it just give you you can choose the location, age, you don't have any targeting options for people who are in market and searching for a specific type of car. So that's why you don't want to use this. So Facebook basically created this because Facebook want us to waste our money and just spend money on this type of ads. So this is the reason why you don't want to go with boosting the posts. That's why you want to create the ads behind the scenes, and I'm going to show you how to get there. So all you need to click here and then create an ads. This is where you're going to go, and then it will take you to the page looking just like that. This is the ads manager. Also, if you click on the ads manager, you will see that you don't have any ads so far because if you just created. And then you need to get to this screen where you have different objectives. And guys, so I want to show you also what are the objectives you can use, and also we will go today with one objective, which is video views, and I'll show you in the future videos a few other objectives that I found the most effective in terms of getting results and getting leads and creating the brand awareness for car dealerships. So first thing first, we're gonna go create the video views ad. This one views objective because our goal, we have a video and we're gonna tell Facebook, hey, show this ad, show our video to as many people as you can and make them watch our video. So this is the objective for our campaign today, and I want to show you how to create this ad and how to choose the targeting, the most important part. So we're gonna go with video views, and I already have video prepared as you've seen. So you would give a name for your campaign, and this video again is completely beginner friendly, how to create ads for car dealerships. So first you need to give the name for your campaign. Let's say it's going to be video views specific car. Let's say it's going to be Dodge 2013 video views. So you give a campaign name, click continue, then it's loading. So next thing, you can also pick the same ad set campaign, but usually what I do, I create a couple ad sets. So here for our example, we can split test, and for example this ad we're gonna target people in market, and in other ad we're gonna target people that are not in market. So, and it's gonna make more sense just in a second. So in this ad we're gonna create a ad with in market. Then here on audience, so we want to go and choose our city. So we'll go with Atlanta. We choose our city, choose the radius. So 15 to 20, from 10 to 15 miles working the best radius around your car dealership. And then the age. So usually the age depending of your market of the cars that you're selling. So we will choose today from 18 to 35. Okay, we're gonna target both gender, men and women, And then here we go. So the part with targeting. So this ad is going to be in market, and we'll show you how we're gonna target the specific market we need. So today we're gonna advertise the car that I showed in the previous video. This one, the ad that I was showing you in the previous video. By the way, if you didn't watch that video, make sure to go watch it. So in this video, we're gonna go and advertise this Chevrolet. We're gonna advertise this Chevrolet, and just like that, in future we'll set the video ad. I'll show you. So we're gonna advertise Chevy. So all you need to do with targeting, we want to find people who are looking to buy a Chevrolet car, because we have a specific ad. So you need to click here on browse and then go to behaviors. Click on behaviors, and here as you see, it has all the automotive thing with targeting option for car dealerships. So as you see here, we have a couple options. People who are searching for new vehicle in market, and we have people who are searching for vehicle near market. So if you click here, we can choose by style. What type of car are you selling? So for example, if you are selling a truck, if you have minivan, if you have sport car, it's all, and as you see right here, Facebook has all this data of people who are right now in market and searching for a specific car that you would like to sell. So with that being said, let's choose for this car. It's like a truck, so we're gonna choose a pickup truck, just like that. Now we're gonna go again to behaviors, and we will choose again automotive, and we just click here to remember like new vehicles buyers. Now we want to go with new vehicles shoppers in market, then click make, and then choose the car that you have. And as you see, that has, look at this, that it has all the different cars that you have in your car dealership, or you want to, your clients wants to sell specific car, that you're gonna choose the targeting that the car we're gonna sell today is Chevrolet truck. So we're gonna go with this. You just click here. Okay, so now we have two of these options. As we see, our potential reach is 160,100 people in this area that are in our targeting market. So these are two options that we're gonna use. But also, I will show you right now how we can go even more specific, because this audience is too broad for just one car that we're gonna sell. I want to show you how to go more specific and narrow targeting down. So all you need to do is click here, narrow audience, and then we'll choose the people who are looking for or interested in brand Chevrolet. Okay. And that one I believe was a Chevrolet Silverado, so we're gonna click here. And as you see right here, so what does it mean? So now we're gonna target people who are looking for a truck, for a specific truck and Chevy truck, and also they interested in buying, interested in this specific type of truck. So now we get our audience down to 4,000 people instead of 160,000 people. So do you see? So now you see the difference. Why it's important also to go and narrow down your targeting. Honestly, this audience is a little bit small. I'm usually looking from something, so we would have to market to from 25,000 people to 50 to 60,000 people. This is the sweet spot I'm usually looking at. So all you need to do is just play around and pick here and narrow down to other audiences that will fit. For example, we're gonna choose just Chevrolet. Let's see how our audience will. Chevrolet truck, Chevrolet car. There you go. We have right now 21,000 people. This is way better than before. So we have now a little bit audience to market to. So we'll go just like that. And after that, after we choose our detailed targeting, we go and automatically we're gonna have on placements. So we will need to choose and edit placements. We will go with just on mobile, because 90% people on Facebook is on their phones. So that's why we want to choose just mobile. Then we want to unclick Instagram and audience network. And all we need to do here, unclick also marketplace and insert articles. So we want to be on Instagram videos and suggested videos, and also on Facebook newsfeed. So this is our targeting. This is where we want to show up and advertise our car. So after that, just here you don't change anything. Here you just set your budget. We'll go with $10 a day. And here, as you see, actually Facebook just added a new option. So you got charged only for 2 seconds video views or 10 seconds. Go with 10 seconds. This one works better for right now, and you got charged per impression. Just like that, you can click just here, just leave it as it is. Don't worry about that. Then click on continue. And now we will upload our video that we want to advertise. So since I've already was showing you in the previous video, for Instagram ads, basically here's the same structure, the same procedure. We're gonna upload our video, and then we're gonna choose our text here, the caption for our car. So we're gonna put something like between the lines, hey, May special, get this Chevy 2013 Silverado. I'm not sure actually if it's Silverado or not, but you will just put your car in there, your name of your car, obviously the model of your car, and then we have May special, get this chair with 0 down. I'm gonna emphasize just like that, 0 down. Call for more info and your phone number. And then just like that, we have our caption right now. And that's pretty much it, guys. Then you will just click confirm, and your ad will up and running. Just like that, you will create a Facebook ad with targeting people who are looking for a specific car. So now, after you created your first ad, you want to add another ad set in this campaign and target a little bit different angle of the market. So you can split test, and what I usually do, let me show you. So you're gonna go back and create a new ad set in this campaign. So I didn't confirm this ad, so all you need to do is go on ad set level, just right here, click on ad set, and then all you need to do is click here on duplicate your ad that we just created. And after you're gonna duplicate your ad, you can change and create a new ad set for your level. So you're gonna duplicate original campaign, just click right here. And then next thing here, what you'll change in this ad, you'll go and create the ad with targeting specific areas. So for example, we're gonna choose more detailed targeting with for example, it was 15 miles that we choose in the previous. Right here we can choose different area of your city, or we can actually go and do not pick any detailed targeting and just advertise this car to everyone, because who knows, maybe the friends will see the car and then tag someone who are looking to buy the Chevy, or who likes trucks like that and who needs the truck, who wants to buy. So that's why you will go and would create one ad set also with just broad targeting. So now you will have 2 ads running for each $10 a day. It's $20 a day, and now you target from different angles. And then you can actually create even a few other ad sets and test and split test with other targeting. And that's what I'll show you in the next video, where I will show you another targeting that you can use to advertise and get results for car dealerships, or sell for more cars for your own car dealership. Alright guys, so this is the targeting that you can use for car dealerships to advertise some specific cars, and this works very well. Also, if you have any questions, drop the comment below and like this video if you found some value. And by the way, right now I'm running ads on my channel, so you will see probably inviting you for a free webinar where I'm going to be teaching you the other methods and the other targeting that I'll never show here and I'll never will share on my YouTube channel. So I highly recommend you to check out that stuff, that targeting for Facebook, and also how to land car dealerships. And also I highly recommend you to subscribe, because I will start putting some content also how to work with new car dealerships, and just more content about how to get results and how to deliver and get leads for car dealerships. So I don't want you to miss out on any of this content. So click the subscribe button. I do pretty much daily uploads. And thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video.
Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. We're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for